Welcome, design enthusiasts. Today, we're diving deep into the realm of wall transformation. Our new YouTube video is a visual feast of 3D design and wallpaper ideas that'll ignite your creativity. From elegant damask patterns to futuristic hexagons, we've got the inspiration your walls crave. Join us for the whole video as we unveil the secrets to elevating your space. Don't miss out. Hit that subscribe button, and let's embark on a journey where every wall becomes a canvas for your unique style. Let the transformation begin.
Elevate your living room aesthetic with the enchanting world of 3D wallpaper designs. Imagine walls adorned with intricate damask patterns, creating an atmosphere of timeless elegance perfect for sophisticated gatherings. Embrace modernity with abstract geometric prints that infuse dynamic energy into the space. Or transport yourself to the tranquil oasis with nature-inspired 3D wallpapers featuring lush botanical motifs. Whether you prefer the industrial charm of fox bricks or the luxurious touch of metallic accents, 3D wallpapers opens a realm of possibilities. Transform your living room into a captivating heaven where each wall tells a unique story. Please subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.